What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we're checking out the free for the month assets of this month of April. We have amazing assets this month, so let's go ahead and check them out. So first of all, we have the stylized clay forest village pack, and this one is really unique. I mean, look how different this asset pack is from others in the marketplace. We have these little outlines, these blurry textures. It overall creates a really cool art style that I think it will fit in a lot of cool games, so definitely go ahead and check this one out. Next up we have the You Create Gothic Cathedral asset pack, and if you're trying to build a Souls-like game, this is gonna be very handy. You can see the scale of this assets is crazy. It is pretty high quality, and overall it comes with a ton of different assets and props and shapes and everything that you can use to build your own kind of cathedrals or castles or whatever you like for your kind of games, like for example Souls-like. So definitely check this one out. Next up we have the Ancient Golem. This one is really cool. I have not seen anything like this before in terms of characters. Like, I mean, first of all, the quality is very high, and then we have this really unique kind of, golem, let's say, that is like floating around with this spinning animation. Like, imagine this in a boss fight. Like, this is really cool, so definitely check this one out. Next up we have the Watermills Nature Environment from Lyris Studios, one of my colleagues over here. And I mean, this is really cool. Like, just imagine like an Uncharted type game or Tomb Raider game running on this. Like, it reminds me of kind of that vibe, right, of exploring ancient ruins and something like that. So definitely check this one out. It looks really cool. And last but not least, we have the Clouds lighting system, and this asset basically adds realistic light sources for 2D or volumetric clouds 3D, and you can see that it can get to very interesting results. I mean, I don't know really for what you would use this, but imagine like storms where clouds start to get crazy and become pink or something like that. So I think it can lead to very cool results, so definitely check this one out. So that's it guys, if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it. You can like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out. Check out my Patreon and YouTube member for many benefits. Join my Discord server, follow me on my socials, and now yes, with all that said, bye bye.